Beautiful start. Let's make it count.
Strong reading at 40 meters, school moving east-southeast.
Hold course steady, 17 knots. Don't lose the current. Horizon is clear. Finish securing the gear, gentlemen.
Birds diving hard. Something big underneath.
35 meters depth. It's them. Oh, they're breaking the surface. Get ready.
Massive school confirmed east by southeast under the warm current.
Keep the winch steady, Rico.
Almost clear. Watch the tension on that line.
Buoy one set, keep tension on the line. Bring her up slow. Hey, Captain, winch is engaged, net's tightening.
Pattern locked, hold that line steady.
There they go! Whoa, massive splash. Get ready, boys.
They're responding fast. School is closing in.
Lock it in. Time to bring them home. They're hitting hard. Keep the tension steady.
They're flooding the circle, density at maximum.
Heave! Pull hard now. Hold the line steady, don't let it slip. Hold her steady. No sudden turns.
Incredible, pure motion of life and light.
Hydraulics maxed. Any more and she'll strain. Pull together! Keep the circle tight!
Brace for impact. Look at the size of that.
Pressure is high. Steady the lift. Don't overstrain her.
Pull it up steady, Rico. We've got a full load here. Biggest one yet, Captain. Keep the winch moving. Keep the winch balanced. Don't let her tilt.
Speed's good. Keep rhythm steady with the current.
Sonar shows a large school at 40 meters, Captain.
Perfect. Deploy the net. Get ready, everyone. Heave. Pull again, all together now.
What a hole.
All right, everyone, let's get these sorted before the sun gets too high.
Watch the deck, it's slick.
That's it. The sea gave us everything today.
Engine's cooled. Feels good to rest the metal too.
Watch the big ones, Rico. Yeah, I got it. This crate is full. Clean deck, clean conscience. That's how it should end.
Marking today's run, textbook perfect current alignment. Every catch tells a story of balance. Today's was perfect.
Go on now, grow big. Look at that sunset, incredible. The sea gives when we respect her rhythm. All right, next one goes right here. Solid work. Agreed. Securing this section now. You tracked him perfectly, Maya.
We owe you that haul. No magic, just listening to the sea's language. Nature paints with light. We just borrow her frame.
Every trip feels new, even after all these years.
I think we set a new record for the fastest haul, Captain.
We certainly did. Well done, Leo.
Good work, all of you. The sea favored us today. So far, schön gedacht. The sea sleeps, yet she never truly rests.
It's strange how silence can sound so alive. Every voyage humbles us a little more.
Never thought the sea could sound this peaceful.
Engine's breathing easy, she's resting too.
Every journey ends with gratitude.
The ocean always gives more than it takes if we listen.
Here's to calm seas and full nets, my friend.